Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix iPhone app download app stuck on waiting and cannot download apps from the App Store. For example, if you have recently downloaded the app from the App Store and after that you see that that app has stuck on waiting and still the problem is on waiting, and how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and after that you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to check open the App Store here, and you have to search for that app, and after searching for that app, and you have to make sure that whether it is showing the download option on App Store or not. If it is showing any kind of option on App Store, then you have to simply click on that and you have to again download it. If the problem is still there and app is stuck on waiting and cannot be downloaded, then you have to simply uninstall the app from the home screen, and after that you have to search for the app on the App Store again, and you have to install the app again. If the problem is still there and again it stuck on waiting, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that you have to simply send it to the Apple Support, and after that Apple Support will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.